Hello everybody, this is Monique's Jewels. I just wanted to come on and let you guys know why I haven't been on for a few days. I did a sterling sale and was very disappointed. I didn't sell anything at all, and I don't think that's ever happened before, and I just got kind of freaked out by it, and I'm having to sit back and think and try to figure out what I'm going to do with my channel. Things that maybe I could do, but I'm stuck in the water. I'm like stuck right now. I'm hoping everybody will understand that as far as just purchasing all this new jewelry and sterling, I can't do it right at the moment. So I'm just kind of stuck. I'm hoping that everybody will understand. I'm not even going to show the rest of the sterling that I have right now. It's just very disappointing, and I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that I'm not disappointed in you guys. I'm just disappointed in myself for not being on for 3 weeks and then just having such a horrible turnout. I'm just going to blame it on the COVID and the fact that I missed you guys for all those weeks, and the economy's kind of bad right now, and just give me a few more days. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do to recoup, but we are still having the 800 subscriber giveaway, and the drawing is going to be this Saturday. So anybody that wants to get on that video and comment below the video, they will be entered. You still have a couple days left, and I'm not going to go on and on. I'm just kind of trying to evaluate what I'm going to do from now on, and I hope you guys will understand. You can always email to talk to me, and I'm going to go ahead and get off of here, but we will see you Saturday. I'll try to put out a little video maybe tomorrow night and let you know about what time I'm going to come on Saturday evening. So I'm going to get off of here, and I hope y'all are doing well and that you will stay well and stay blessed, and we will talk to you soon. And just keep me in your prayers, the family, and like I said, I'm going to be trying to figure out what to do next. All right? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.